Hello and welcome to Standard 5th class, subject English. Today our first lesson is What a Bird Thought. This is a small poem about a bird. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. In this stanza, the bird says that in the beginning, I was living in a small round house. It was blue pale shell. In the beginning, I thought the world was this much only for me. These birds thought this was my first house. Then next, I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Then in the second stanza, the bird says, I was living in the nest which was made of straw. I thought that my world is this much only, which is covered by my mother. Then in the next stanza, the bird says, one day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. So in the third stanza, the bird says, one day I fluttered from the nest and I thought, what would I see outside this nest? Then I saw in the world, it is leaves, full of leaves. So again the new idea came in the mind of the bird and the bird says, I thought the world is made up of leaves. Then in the next stanza and the last stanza, at last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now high, the world is really made, I can't tell, can you? So in the last stanza, the small bird says, in the end, I decided to leave this tree. I flew from this tree, and when I flew from this tree, I saw the outside. There was a blue sky. Everywhere it was sky with blue color. I thought, my God, what I was thinking in the initial stage of my world is a small, round, pale blue shell. Then after that, I thought my world is made up of straw, nest which is covered by my mother. The next day I thought my house was leaves, covered with all the leaves, and the last when I came out of the tree and I saw it is a wall covered with blue sky. So in the end the bird totally got blind. He thought, now I don't have any idea about this world. So if you can have any idea about this world, so please you tell me about this. This was the last word by the bird. So I hope you all have understood. With this I stop my poem here only. Thank you very much.